Hey guys, Merry Christmas! Today I'm at my dad's house and I got a lot. I am going to say that. And one of the things I got is this, and I'm going to show you guys. So, let's open it. It comes with some, if I can get open. Teal slime. We'll take it out, or not. It already has a little bit of glitter in it. And then it comes with some pearls, glitter, and some seashell kind of glitter things. I think we should add the pearls first. So, let's do that. Now we got pearls in our slime. And this is supposed to be called a mermaid slime. Next, we should do seashells. They're going everywhere. There. Now, the last but not least, the glitter. Now for this one, I'm going to pour it in the cup and then put the slime in there because I don't want it all over my counter. Yeah, no, it's not going all over my counter. I mean, it's okay if a little gets on my counter, but not all of it needs to be on my counter. I'm gonna have to use my slime to pick it up. Lost a bead. You're gonna get even more glitter. I'm gonna have to clean this place up. Okay, ready? Why do these beads keep popping out? I don't even know where that one went. Hang on. And I don't even care where it went, so. I don't know if we were supposed to add all of it, but I did, so. That's that. This is how it's looking so far. Kayla!
What?
Come look at the slime.
No, what's that? What?
Come look at the slime I made. Stupid pearls. There's still glitter at the bottom of it. Why do these pearls keep coming out? Oh my god. There's stuff all over my counter right now, so yeah. Don't fly, don't expect me not to fall. Chains, you got wings, sometimes they ain't feel. Okay, I'm just singing, cause I want to. Cause I want to. Kayla, come look at my slime. Come look at my mermaid slime.
Where is it?
I made a mess of glitter on the counter.
That's okay. It's on your counter.
I'm gonna clean it up soon.
It's all right.
And my slime looks really cool. It still has glitter at the bottom of it. Keep this over my counter. It's probably the best idea I've had all day. Then clean my hands up. Jesus. These pearls like to go everywhere. The pearls like to go everywhere, so. Is it? That's it. If they wanna keep rolling around, they're going in the cup. Get in the cup. This is. Jeez! Any of you else gonna fall out? This is what it looks like. It looks really cool. I think we did a good job. Ja! Stupid pearls. Now I have 4, 5. Oh, and if you hear that word no, we just got a new puppy for Christmas. We're trying to train him not to go potty in the house. And we have 2 other dogs, my uncle's dog and my aunt's dog. And they are already trained. They know what's right and what's wrong. But they're just terrified of him because he's so playful. And we have a bunny, so we don't know how it's going to. You know doves don't fly, so don't expect me not to fall. Doves don't fly. We almost had it all. I got chains, you got wings. Sometimes that's not fair. Life's not fair sometimes. Okay, for real. I was just trying. So don't judge me! I think this slime turned out really good. My sister got unicorn slime. And we'll have to... Bye!